YouTube. It is your girl Cherish with Cherish Your Beauty. And if you're new here, welcome. If you back, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I posted a video, y'all. So I figured, what's the perfect time to post a video? It seems like that's the only time that I post videos whenever I travel, because I have the motivation. You ladies and gentlemen know that I work during the day and at night. I'm a wife, and so I just have my other things going on. But one thing that always motivates me is packing and traveling. So I actually almost already packed now, but I did want to just kind of chit chat with y'all while I finish up a few things, and also want to show you my new luggage that I have for domestic travel. So check this out. This luggage is literally everything. It is given like knockoff pink Burberry goodness. So actually it's a 4-piece set. So I'm gonna take this. I'm actually going, as you see in the title, to Essence Fest. I just got my hair done. I'm leaving in about, let's see, 3 days. So I usually never wait this late to pack, but I've been busy. I've been having other stuff going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to pack. I ain't even pop the tags off yet. So I'm going to Essence Fest. This is my first time going to Essence Fest. I've been to New Orleans before for Bronner Brothers hair show, but I've never been to the Essence Fest. So we're going Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then coming back Tuesday. So really like a total of 4 days. So of course I packed a lot of stuff, but I try to keep it a little bit simpler this time though, because so we are going to a few concerts, and we're going to go, you know, brunching and, you know, all those type of things. So I wanted to make sure I had a variety of stuff to wear while I'm there. And also, so I put everything in these packing cubes that I got from Shein, and I'll tell you, they come in handy, because on top of that, it keeps you organized, and also where you're able to pack and put everything that you need. So what I'm going to be trying to do is pack everything in this, and for my like, you know, my medication, vitamins, and toiletries, I'm going to put in here, because I'm not trying to be packing extremely heavy. So let's see what we can do, because y'all know whenever I be packing, I be having trouble. Like I said, I do have a bigger suitcase. So what we're gonna see is if this stuff fits in here, and if it doesn't, I can get a bigger one. And also we gotta be mindful of how much stuff weighs, because after over 50 pounds, they're gonna be taxing you. So let's see. And I can already tell I'm not gonna have no room, so I gotta go get the big one. See that? That already then took up just the clothes. So I have clothes, shoes, purses, underclothes. Now I could take everything out of the cubes and roll everything up and make everything fit. I know that I possibly could, but we're just gonna go ahead and go get the bigger bag. All right, y'all. So this is the bigger bag. Like I said, this is like it was a 4-piece set. It has this one, that one, the little small one, and then it has a carry-on. It has a carry-on bag. So we're gonna just use the big one. And I sure should be able to fit everything in the big one. If not, then I'll just make adjustments where I can fit them. Okay, so this is my clothes, shoes. This is my night clothes and underwear and purses. So all that stuff is perfectly. So all I have to do is put in my towels. I have towels that I'm gonna wear. Also I have my tripod because y'all know I gotta get the content. And I think that's gonna be good. I'm not putting liquor in it this time. I'm gonna probably purchase liquor whenever I go to New Orleans. So yeah, that's so easy. And then also I seen that the Airbnb that we're staying at has a washer and dryer. So I'm gonna bring some little packets of laundry detergent. So whenever I come back, I put everything just like it is. So yeah, and then I'm gonna get the small one and I'm gonna put my toiletries in there. Now I'm not done because I still have to put my makeup and my jewelry and stuff because some of that stuff I'm still wearing. So I kind of probably gonna do that in the last minute. Stay tuned for the vlog because you'll be seeing all the outfits that I'm wearing and all the stuff that we're gonna be doing. I invested in a vlog, a little vlogging kit because y'all, my freaking vlogs, when you get on that liquor, you kind of literally all over the place. So I'm not going to be using it like every time because like I plan on like going on Bourbon Street and stuff like that, and it's going to be really a lot going on. So I want to be carrying my vlogging kit, but I'm going to be using it at least for most of the time so I can get some steady, consistent content instead of like being intoxicated in my hands and I'm moving around and all this stuff. So let me go get my toiletries and everything and so I can show you how it's gonna fit in the small bag. All right, this is a small one, which is so cute. So this is gonna be like my little carry-on, and then I'm going to have a little fanny pack, you know, when I'm at the airport, so I can have all my credit cards and everything like that in there. So this is a travel pack that I got from Shein as well, y'all. This thing comes in so much handy. This is my toiletries. It's perfect, and it has a lot of compartments. So I have regular towels in here because I mean I know Airbnbs provide towels, but sometimes you know you gotta have your own just in case. And so this fits like everything that I need in here. It's 4 days, so I did size down to my travel size things, which is gonna be good. Lotion, body cream, and I also gotta put my perfume in there. So this, like I said, I'm still in the process of still packing a little bit, but I'm trying to get most of the stuff organized before going because my flight leaves in a few days, so I don't want to be last minute running around XYZ. So this, look, it's gonna go in here because you don't want to be like without your toiletries, period. This is more toiletries. This is actually like baby wipes, wet wipes, Lysol. This is actually my hair stuff. These are actually, look, so when I went to Belize last time, people were actually impressed at the things that I had. This is like a foam. This is an oil sheen, edge control. So I have a few bobby pins in here, and also hair ties. So people are like, where did you get these small things? Like when you travel, this stuff comes in handy, so you don't have to pack a big old thing of hair stuff. You know, the thing is to try to pack smarter. So I could put this actually in here because I'm not gonna be dealing with my hair probably until I get to the Airbnb because I have braids. That's what the protective style is for. So I'll probably just put this in my check bag. And then also look at these. I got these for the girls that were going. These are so cute. They're little flasks. You know, we're gonna be in New Orleans, so you gotta have your liquor. So I got these actually off Shein as well. So this, and then look, so I got this because, you know, in New Orleans, you could drink outside. So what I'm going to do when we get ready to like head bourbon, I'm going to make me a mixed drink, put it in here, and it has a strap too. I'm going to wash it out. So let the Airbnb wash it out, and put my grown-up drinks in here, and, you know, put my little crossbody on, and we're going to do it like that, you know. Of course, I'm still going to be getting my hand grenades and everything, but this is going to be good for when you are out on Bourbon Street. Oh, and also this vlogging kit. So I got this. I can't wait to use it. I already kind of tried it out a little bit. So y'all, yes, I'm excited about this vlogging kit. So we'll see how it works. And then, like I said, the Airbnb has a washer and dryer, so I got these little, actually for $1 at the dollar store. So it's 8 of them in here. So, you know, it's good for me to just wash before I come back, because I don't like coming back with dirty clothes. So yeah, y'all. Like I said, these, if you are interested in these straight up Shein, I mean, they come, it's so much easier. I've noticed it's so much easier packing with these. Even when I went to Belize on my last trip, it was so much easier just taking the little packets out. And so everything, like as far as my toiletries go and stuff, I don't use those in my everyday. So I can literally just put them up and just wait for the next trip. I don't have to unpack them or anything. So yeah, that's just a little bit of that. And like I said, please be looking out for the vlog, because it's going to be going up. This is not just regular New Orleans. This is the Essence Fest New Orleans. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. And also, all my links are going to be down up in the description. So, yeah, this is just a little small talk and a little small pack with me. It's not really going into depth detail about packing, because y'all gonna see my outfits and everything typically, like I always do when it comes to my travel vlogs. And you see a lot of my outfits on TikTok and Instagram and stuff, because I love to post pictures. But yeah, I really just wanted to show you my new domestic trip luggage, because I have a domestic trip luggage and I have a international trip luggage. My international trip luggage has the 4 wheels on there. My domestic trip just the regular 2 wheels, because you're not really doing a lot of moving around as far as like pulling your bag and everything. So see y'all in New Orleans.